Okay, so hi guys. Sorry Blake's not here right now. He's out helping my brothers and their friend find the baseballs that they're throwing into the field with extremely long grass. I thought I was going to do a video with the trampoline. So yeah guys, we're going to be doing that. It's not going to be the greatest video, I know, because it's so far away, but let me see if I can zoom it in and it would still be clear view. And I'm just gonna move it down one. Sorry, I do all this editing stuff on camera, which I know is really stupid, but it's the best I can do, you know? So we're gonna be playing on the trampoline here. So yeah, let's get to it. Sorry if you can't see me that great, or if you're me, because my throat kind of hurts. I was out running, finding the baseball. That makes sense. So yeah, you like my horrible trampolining outfit? Yeah. Oh, I can't see much of the camera from over there. Oh yeah, I can. I can just see my little shape. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what we're gonna do really. That's what you get for running around so much. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I just talk about why I haven't made a video in so long. The main reason I haven't made a video in so long is because last time, the first time I tried to make a video, my brother's friend came in and ruined it. And second time, my brother came in and ruined it. It's not Blake or Blake's friend. It's James and James' friend. Okay. But Mario was the one who ruined it. This last time, he turned off Xbox. And he started making fun of me and my choices of videos and stuff. And he actually commented on one of my videos and said, specifically to me, worst quality video ever, but this deserves a dislike. And he disliked my video. You know, what kind of friend is that? Or brother even. I mean, he's my foster brother, so I guess I'm not but you know. Oh wow, it hurt. I just wanted to talk to you about why I haven't made a video in so long, and I knew this one was gonna go to work because they're out front right now, and I'm out back in this beautifulness of a trampoline. So I don't know what to do necessarily. 5 hours later. It's so boring. Like, I can't. I just can't anymore. I don't want to. Ugh. There's 2 birds. Let's see how many birds I can count in the next 5 hours. I meant 5 minutes. Or a minute even. So far 2 birds. Birds. Great. Just 2. Not even a 3rd bird. Guys, this is horrible. Like, I'm just trying to find a 3rd bird. None. My papa's not by the way. Anyone want to be the 3rd bird I count? The one with the treasure chest? No one wants to be a bird. Sure doesn't want to be an annoying pest. gonna go over here because that was a bug and it looked like it was trying to sting me. So, yeah, this is Monday, September 26th, 2016. So yeah, this was 5 hours, more like 5 and a fourth. But I wanted you to see this awesome view, by the way, from my house. Yeah, I live 908 Sunridge Court. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have said that, but you know, I said it, and now I'm swinging on my swing. And it's all great. And I figured YouTube would get my people to watch my music leads, which would get more people to watch my live leads, which would get more people to like me. So, it's not necessarily for that. It's just for the fun of making videos and stuff. And that whole 5 hours later thing, that was me saying it while laying on the trampoline. It's not like where they edit it and it says 5 hours later. No, I actually do that pretty good though. Sorry, it's starting to get dark, so it's a little harder to see me. There, you can kind of see my face. Oh my goodness, I'm zoomed in. That's why it looked so ugly. Okay. Yeah, I don't like being ugly on camera. I don't. There's some weird dog down there, and it's been really annoying. My goodness, how did it just get bright all of a sudden? Like, oh my god. Like, it's so bright. How is it so bright? Goodness. Did God just make the sky brighter? Because it's not earlier in the day. It's later than the day of what it was. Anyway,